This is Westwood Swing the Next Level. This is for you new dancers. This is how you discover how the dance works.
This is our fundamentals that we spread around the world for 15 years.
So what we have is we have 5 basics we all understand very, very well. Within that, we understand that frame structure is super important in this because it's about production based in the dance. But we have 5 patterns we know. We know a sugar push, an underarm turn, a side pass, a whip, and a tuck. Every other pattern is a form of those. All right? When we do this, we think of multiple different handholds. We have natural handhold, right to left handhold, right to right, left to left, 2 hands, right cross, 2 hands, left cross. No hands and all this stuff allowed to touch. Those are all equal spots. Now we have multiple different dimensions within our dance. We have length in our dance, we have width in our dance, we have height in our dance, we have rotation in our dance, and we have time in our dance. So those are pieces that we can adjust for within the basics as well. So we can take things like a sugar push, just naturally. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. We can do a right to right sugar push. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We can do left to left sugar push. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Cross hand sugar push. Ooh, this is weird. Oh, that goes in the bucket, but I don't use that. But can I still do it? 1, 2, 3, 4. So we start to discover pattern structure.
Every basic pattern in West Coast swing is named after the action that the follower carries out. The leader produces that pattern work from the follower. So as long as your follower is having the characteristics of that basic, it doesn't matter what hand. Now we can put shapes in top.
So we've got the longer, with the length of the dance. We can make a sugar push longer.
You get the idea, right?
Wider. Sugar push can rotate. Sugar push can change in height. Sugar push can change in time. Still just sugar push.
So let me challenge you. We could do a right to right underarm turn with width and rotation. Still an underarm turn.
Learn your patterns. When